Let's take a look at ARM Holdings. Well, this is a stock that doesn't have a lot of trading history, and we're going to try to understand the trend of this stock, whether it still can go higher, what is the long-term view and the short-term view. Well, this stock has started trading on September, mid-September, and if for those who bought when it started trading at around mid-50s, the price right now is more than doubled, and a nice gap up, and then went up and another gap up, and at this moment it's like trading sideways. So with this kind of stock, there is not much of a daily trend data that you can work out, but you can always look at the hourly chart to determine where it's likely to go. And let's start by looking at the support and resistance area. The support area will be around here, the previous high. You can also have a gap support area here. What happened was, I think here we have a ascending triangle kind of pattern breakout. Higher lows, and then kind of same highs, and then it just gap up on heavy volume. Now, when the stock starts trading at heavy volume, and also when a gap up and subsequent moves are on heavy volume, you can be assured that there is buying interest, and most likely you can see the stock going higher in the long term, maybe north of 200, even 300, and so on and so forth. So what I like to do is always look at the support and resistance area, which is here, and then we're going to zoom into 60-minute chart to look at the shorter term support area. Right now it's still above the daily 20 MA, so we want to continue to be bullish buyers. It doesn't show any signs that it wants to correct or crash right now. Okay, and with that in mind, let's switch to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, there is another support area here. Alright, let's tangle. Okay, the support area here. Let me just move it. Right, just can't seem to draw, but anyway, the support area is here. This is why it consolidated at this previous high. Once overcome, because it becomes support area. And right now, well, we have like a weekly topping tail, but since it's a stock that just traded, it doesn't really matter. Okay, what we want to look at is the short term. Okay, short term, it gap up, corrected, and move higher. Right now it's trading sideways. It's kind of hard to determine where it wants to go, but maybe we can draw a support area around here. Okay, you want to watch this area carefully. If it is not able to stay above this area, it might reverse, decline, and maybe even close the gap. But at this moment, I don't see any tradable events. You want to trade, can't even draw a downtrend line. So what you want to do is to be patient, wait for a kind of setup, okay, and see whether it will break higher. Okay, not much to do at this moment, so sometimes you just have to be patient and wait for a setup. So with this analysis in mind, you want to be careful when trading these stocks. Gap up is a nice play, but after that, I think right now it's just trading sideways. Better not to touch the stock at this moment, but wait for a setup. What kind of setup? I don't know. Maybe it might drop to the rising 20 MA. That's when you want to find a dip, or the 50 MA. At that time, you want to find a dip, play, and if it forms a continuation pattern, then only you enter. What can we learn from this stock? Well, stock open, gap up, and then drifted down. Here we kind of have a double bottom pattern. Next time if you see a stock like this, double bottom, you can buy the break above the downtrend line, put the stop loss here, and just ride it higher. Here, stock traded sideways. There's a breakout play here as well. So with all these new IPOs, new listed stocks, you can actually look whether it's trading above the 20 MA. It goes up and sideways trading here. Okay, sideways trading. You buy the breakout above the sideways trading and just ride it higher. Okay, so nothing much to comment more about at this moment. So be patient, wait for a setup. And I hope you enjoy and like this analysis. If you do, so please like my video and subscribe to this channel for more analysis like that.